Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code in Alight Motion. It's super easy and let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do here is to open up your Alight Motion app. Once you're in, tap on projects, then tap the three dots on the project that you want to get the QR code from. So now tap export, then choose project package and hit export again. And once the upload is complete, just scroll to the right side and download your QR code. It will automatically be saved to your gallery. So the next thing to do is to open your QR code scanner app and then tap the gallery icon at the top. It's right next to the flash icon. And now tap on AI gallery so we can select the QR code that we just downloaded. Find and tap the QR code image and it'll instantly show a link. Tap the link, then import, and boom, that's it. That's how you scan a QR code in Alight Motion. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one.